House arrest is an alternative to doing a sentence in Los Angeles County Jail. It's something that you specifically have to ask a judge for, and it's something that a client should really know the limitations of. First of all, in house arrest, the client or the defendant is going to be responsible for the expenses. House arrest is also called home monitoring or electronic monitoring. And basically, you have to have your person and your house outfitted in a way that your physical whereabouts can be determined by the sheriff at any given moment. Now, this is a minimum of $30 a day, not including installation fees. So there's a considerable expense that accumulates over time. Now, depending on the deal that one works out with the judge, house arrest could mean anything from not being able to leave one's home at all, except for scheduled court dates, to the judge allowing the person to participate in school, perhaps participate in work, or participate in family activities. In my experience, however, judges, if they are going to grant house arrest and allow a defendant to serve out what we would call an alternative form of sentencing, they're not going to be so lenient in the terms that come along with that house arrest. So, in general, defendants and clients are limited to being in their home for the entire time of the house arrest. Another thing to be aware of is that whereas if you go to Los Angeles County Jail to serve a sentence, you're probably going to serve only 50% or less, perhaps considerably less, than the time you were given for that sentence. On house arrest, you can generally expect to serve the entire sentence. But for some clients, it is the right decision. For others, it may not be exactly what they're thinking about. But that's why we invite people to call us in order to discuss these options, and certainly we discuss them with our clients.